how to disable email, new features and types, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email, new features and types, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, and open SoundCloud. Let's go back first and now click library, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, library, and then click on your profile, and here you will find settings and then notifications, and scroll down. Here you will find new SoundCloud features and types. Now just click on it, disable it and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.